Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Hub. Today we are going to learn some basic grammar rules. The use of play, go, do. Play. The word play we use when we play with a ball, football, like anything, hockey. And the word go we use when it comes with ing या कोई भी एक्टिविटी हो तो उसके साथ हम लगाते हैं गो. एंड द वर्ड डू वी यूज़ विद सेल्फ डिफेंस लाइक फाइटिंग. वेयर इट कम्स सेल्फ डिफेंस देन वी यूज़ द वर्ड डू. नाउ वी सी सम एग्जांपल्स. स्विमिंग, it ends with ing, so here it come go. Basketball is a game, so here it come play. Karate is a self defense game, so here it come do. Volleyball is also a game, so here we use play. Judo is also a self defense, so here it come do. Cycling it ends with ing, so here it come go. Kung fu is also a self defense like a Chinese martial art, so here it come do. Hope you get it guys. Thank you so much.